Palitan mo na lang pag gano'n nasa...
Hindi naman mag-check si Mom.
Wala siyang time.
Hello everybody. So today I'm gonna make a reaction. Oh, I'm thinking. I don't think this is necessary, but I'm gonna open with you my gifts. Okay.
No! No!
I have two gifts from Mika and from Cherry, and I'm gonna open it with you. Okay, first things first. Ay, hindi. Ano kayo ulit ko?
Di ba?
Riza, pick.
Yung kay
Parang
Che.
You hold it,
si
you hold
Mika
it.
Ito.
This.
Kuya ako,
Okay.
ano, bakit gano'n?
Okay, so this is from Cherry Rose. Ala, sabi ko kanina, uy, pepero. Ala, nakakainis. Alam mo, ginanyan
Sabi niya
ko
pa,
to.
uy, nag-ano to, ansap mo?
Ginanito ko, sabi
Sabi
ko.
mo kasi balutan. Eh, wala
Balutan
naman
mo ako ng hiwag.
Hello,
Proceed.
wala pala akong muna.
Open ka na. Oh my gosh.
Si Mika mo.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Ikaw na.
I can
Mika muna.
feel it. Pag na, lip gloss.
Guys.
Alam, nakakuha ako ng 2 lip gloss this year.
Wow.
Grabe, ganun na ba ako ka...
Kilala ka nila.
Boom, boom, pow.
Gusto mong matanggap na gift. Lip balm. Para maiba naman.
Ang hirap ng lighting, ha? Pag sa storm ka nag-ano. Sabihin mo pag nahulaan ko. Lip gloss, bracelet.
Ba't kay Mika
Okay.
muna?
Sabi ni Riza.
Hindi, wag muna. Wag na lang.
Ay, gaga.
Binuksan ko na siya. Okay.
Mas maganda ba pag pepero na lang?
No, okay lang. The same. Ang dami namin pepero sa
Okay,
bahay.
kung video niya
Okay,
pa.
pero...
Okay, so I have this. Oh, I don't think this is pink. Red, pink,
Pink.
whatever.
Maroon.
Uy, maroon. Maroon is one of my favorite colors. Okay. Mailbox. Sabi nila kay Saima kanina.
Eh, pink naman eh.
Okay, that's all. Yay! Let's try it.
Ayaw mo na.
Wait lang. Huwag ka munang kabahan. Tatry ko muna.
Ala, hindi.
Okie-dokie. No, my God, ay banana. Saan ba dapat nilagay ang bracelet? Left or right? Ang alam ko sa, kung ano, kunyari, you are right-handed, you should put it on your left para hindi siya istorbo kapag basta something like that. So, right-handed ako, so I'm gonna put it on my left hand. Okay, there. Yay! Look at me, mom. Yay. Really, really nice. Okay, next.
No!
Last but not the least. Okay, so can you read it? It says, "Too precious" from Mika. Okay, kapain muna natin. Sabihin mo kapag nahulaan ko.
Ayoko.
Yay!
Wag ka.
Sabi ni Riza kanina, lagayan daw ng iPad. FYI, wala akong Wi-Fi. FYI. Wala akong iPad, guys.
Wala, naiiyak na.
Babakatin ko na.
Chocolate
Oh, I know. Paint? Para kasi siyang may tatlong bilog.
Uy, ayoko na.
I want to open it.
Plate yan. Oo, plate yan.
OMG! OMG! Oh my God.
Pangulma
Ala,
ng clay.
kapag ginawa ko to, magdadala ko.
Wala akong maano.
Look, guys. Look. Anong tawag dito? Basta for baking. Oh my
Baking
goodness.
pan with shape.
Let's remove it. Anong tawag dito? Ano? Molder? Ano ba yun?
Hindi ko alam. Heart shape.
Heart shape. Cupcake, cookies, whatsoever. Basta for baking. Allah, I love it. Pan ba to?
Walang.
Yay, love, 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 love. That's 6 loves. Thank you, Mika Simangan, and thank you, Cherry Rose from me for your care. Yay, that's all. And I hope you like it. Kahit naman walang kinalaman sa inyo to. Hindi ko alam kung ipopost ko to, pero, you know, in case. change of mind.
Sisikat ka din, Precious.
Bye!